Today I'm going to show you how to change the welcome message on your 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic with the stereo without the navigation. So this is just the basic stereo, no navigation. So when you first start the car, we'll just turn one click forward. And what happens is it shows the welcome message on there. Now you can change that welcome message to put any message you want on there. So we'll change it to say something else on there. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to push and hold the tune button, which is this one right here. I'm going to try to use one hand here, see if I can reach across. And then you're going to press and hold the power button. So now, as you can see, there's a welcome. The W is blinking. So what you do is you turn this knob left, not left, I'm sorry, counterclockwise or clockwise to change the letters. Now there's some special characters on there also. So if you go through all the way near the end, then you'll see there's the numbers. And then there'll have some special characters there, slash, a little tick mark, colon, all that. But yeah, you can just, all you do is you turn the knob left or right to change that. Now, let's say we want to say hello instead of welcome. So what you do is you keep on spinning until you see the letter H. And there we go. Okay, so that's H. And then to go to the next one, you're going to use this seek right here. You're going to press, so you press up to go to the next one. So we're saying hello. So we'll skip that one, H, E, and then L. And then we'll skip that one too. So we'll press up again. So, and then we spin the knob to get L. And then we'll go back to the arrow here. This goes to the next one. And then we will go again, since that one's the good letter already, and then we'll spin this one all the way to, I guess we'll leave it as a blank. I don't know where the blank is, so let's see here. And there we go, that's the blank. And then we'll go again, so press that one right there, so make sure it's the up. Now if you press down right here, it'll go back. See, it'll just keep on going back if you keep on pressing it. So the seek button is go to the next one, or go back to the next go back letter. So there you go, our character. So this one we'll just say there, and then we'll leave it blank. So when you're done, just hit the power button. Now let's see if that works. So I'll turn the key off, and then I'll turn it on. You just have to turn one click, and you will see what the message says on there. And there you go. And that's how you change the message on your stereo. Thanks for watching.